Hi, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. My name's Marie. My business, social media handles, website, and YouTube channel are Mareevuitton. In this series, I'm going to give you the short form videos of the most used how-tos in Studio Designer. These videos are the remake of last year's how-to series, but you may have noticed that Studio Designer got a bit of a facelift in 2025. That prompted me to reshoot all these videos to help the new users because the screen is going to look a bit different. Okay, the processes and teachings, my tips and tricks remain the same. But again, I just want to make sure that I reshoot them because of the way that it looks different on screen. Okay, so as always, please leave your feedback and questions in the comment section and be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you found the video useful. Subscribe to stay updated. Now let's dive in. In this video, we're going to go over doing a vendor refund. Okay, when a vendor refunds us money for overhead or something like that, like an insurance refund or a sales tax refund or a refund from your cell phone, a refund from any of the overhead type items, you are going to post that either in money in or money out, but doing it in reverse. Okay, that's a whole different situation. I am going to go over vendor refunds for items on a project. Okay, there's going to be a reason why that's happening. So in this case, the client canceled it or it was not going to work. Okay, so not always do people allow that, but in this case, we said okay. So what we did, I have to invoice. When you invoice, and this won't appear until you invoice the item out. See right here, it says create credit invoice. That clicking that will then create this credit item where it kind of does everything in reverse. It even tries to charge the client for the freight or other costs, right? Like maybe we're going to refund it, but we're not going to refund freight, or we might charge a restock fee, whatever your contract dictates. But in this case, we went ahead and refunded the client the entire thing. I guess we're going to either keep it or we're going to wait for a refund from the vendor. In this case, we are going to keep it, but the thing about it is, if you're going to keep it to put it in your inventory, I have a process for that, okay? And I'm not going to go over that in this video. It's a short one, so I am just going over the vendor refund. Well, once we process the credit side, you can now see that there is a PO with a credit, like we're waiting for this credit. So to finish this up, we are going to post the vendor refund, okay? And I'm just going to say that they gave us a refund check. I'm going to say check, refund check 23445. And we're going to go ahead and post that we received that refund. Okay, and I deposited it into the checking account from our vendor. Okay, and so now you can see that this is fully processed. That is posting the vendor refund for a return on a project. Okay, if there's questions about anything I've said, please leave them in the comments below. If you want to know how to process inventory and other things like that, please search it on our YouTube channel. Thank you.